Welcome back to the Natural Healing Guides YouTube channel, your go-to destination for embracing the power of nature in your journey towards optimal health. Today, we're excited to share with you a simple yet profoundly effective way to cleanse and purify your blood using just one glass of a specially crafted juice. This isn't just any juice. It's a potent blend of nature's best purifiers, designed to detoxify your blood and enhance your overall well-being. Remember to engage with us by leaving a comment, subscribe if you haven't yet, and click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest health-transforming videos. Purifying your blood is crucial for maintaining your body's health. The blood is the river of life within us, transporting oxygen, nutrients, and essential compounds to our cells and removing toxins and waste products. Over time, due to dietary habits, environmental pollutants, and lifestyle factors, toxins can accumulate in our system, necessitating a natural cleanse to maintain our body's optimal functioning. The juice we're about to introduce leverages the cleansing powers of beetroot, carrots, apples, lemon, and ginger. Each ingredient is selected for its unique properties that contribute to blood purification and overall health enhancement. Beetroot stands at the forefront of our juice blend. Renowned for its blood cleansing and liver-supporting properties, beetroot is rich in nitrates and antioxidants, such as betalains, which enhance blood flow and reduce oxidative stress. It's also a natural source of iron, which is essential for the formation of red blood cells. Carrots are next, adding sweetness and a bounty of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A to support eye health and a strong immune system. Carrots also contain vitamin C and other antioxidants that protect the body against free radical damage. Apples bring their own set of benefits to this purifying drink. An apple a day keeps the doctor away isn't just a saying, it's a testament to the apple's health-promoting qualities. Apples are high in fiber, which helps to cleanse the digestive tract, and they contain compounds that support liver health, further aiding in the detoxification process. Lemon adds a zestful twist while significantly boosting the juice's detoxifying power. Lemon juice is known for its ability to alkalize the body and stimulate the liver, promoting the elimination of toxins. Its high vitamin C content also supports the immune system and skin health. Ginger, with its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, rounds off our juice. It supports digestion and circulation, two critical processes in the detoxification and purification of the blood. To prepare this purifying juice, you'll need 1 medium beetroot, peeled and chopped, 2 medium carrots, washed and chopped, 1 large apple, cored and sliced, juice of 1 lemon, 1 inch of ginger root, peeled. Simply combine all ingredients in a juicer. For the best results, drink this juice in the morning on an empty stomach. This allows your body to absorb the nutrients more efficiently, kick-starting your day with a detoxifying boost. While this juice offers a powerful way to purify your blood naturally, it's important to remember that no single remedy is a cure-all. A holistic approach to health, incorporating a balanced diet, regular physical activity, adequate hydration, and stress management is crucial for achieving and maintaining optimal health. We're eager to hear about your experience with this purifying juice. Have you tried similar recipes, or do you have any questions about the ingredients and their benefits? Share your thoughts and stories in the comments below. Your insights enrich our community and inspire others to take steps towards healthier living. For more information on natural remedies, dietary tips, and lifestyle adjustments to enhance your health, make sure to explore our channel further. We have a wealth of videos covering a wide range of topics, all designed to empower you with knowledge and practical advice for a healthier life. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and family who might benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By clicking the notification bell, you'll ensure that you never miss out on our latest videos filled with natural health tips and remedies. Together, let's embrace the power of nature and take proactive steps towards a healthier, more vibrant life.